St. John's wort, Hypericum perforatum, has been hailed as a medicinal wonder for centuries. This perennial herb, with its vibrant yellow flowers and delicate leaves, holds a special place in the world of herbal medicine. It is actually considered an invasive weed in most parts of North America, so if you plant to grow this amazing herb, it is best to do so in a pot or container. The plant gets its name from its almost magical ability to always bloom on June 24th, the birthday of St. John the Baptist. Known for its therapeutic properties, St. John's wort has been utilized to alleviate various ailments, including depression, anxiety, and many more. This Materia Medica aims to explore the identification, medicinal parts used, and the wide range of uses associated with this remarkable plant. Identification: St. John's wort is a hardy plant that can be found in many parts of the world, including Europe, Asia, and North America. Its distinctive features include bright yellow flowers with 5 petals, which bloom during the summer months. The plant typically grows to a height of about 3 feet and thrives in dry, sunny areas, particularly on roadsides, meadows, and hillsides. It is an herbaceous perennial with creeping rhizomes. The leaves have tiny oil glands in them that, when held up to the light, look like small windows. Disclaimer: it's important to note that the information shared in this video is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. I recommend consulting with a qualified healthcare provider before trying anything new. Medicinal parts used: the medicinal properties of St. John's wort lie primarily in its flowers and leaves. In this case, the leaves are best used when fresh, if they are available. These parts contain a complex mixture of active compounds, including hypericin, hyperforin, and flavonoids, which contribute to its therapeutic effects. The flowers and leaves are often harvested during the summer when the plant is in full bloom. Medicinal uses of St. John's wort: depression and anxiety. St. John's wort has long been recognized for its potential to alleviate symptoms of mild to moderate depression. It is believed to enhance the levels of serotonin, dopamine, and noradrenaline in the brain, which are neurotransmitters associated with mood regulation. Additionally, this herb has shown promise in reducing anxiety and promoting a sense of calm. Seasonal affective disorder, SAD. SAD, a type of depression that occurs during specific seasons, can be effectively managed with St. John's wort. Its ability to boost serotonin levels may help combat the depressive symptoms associated with this condition. Those who take SSRIs or have bipolar disorder should not take St. John's wort. Obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD. St. John's wort has shown potential in reducing OCD symptoms, such as intrusive thoughts and repetitive behaviors. It is often paired with lemon balm to treat OCD and SAD, menopause and PMS, the hormonal imbalances experienced during menopause and premenstrual syndrome, PMS, can lead to mood swings, irritability, and anxiety. St. John's wort may provide relief by regulating serotonin levels and reducing these symptoms, as well as depression and fatigue. It also helps balance the hormones and stimulates the organs, increasing the tone of the uterus, opiate withdrawal, and quitting smoking. St. John's wort has been explored as a supportive treatment for individuals undergoing opiate withdrawal or attempting to quit smoking. Its calming properties aid in managing withdrawal symptoms and reducing cravings. St. John's wort helps to reduce stress on the nervous system and alleviating, to some degree, the physical symptoms of opiate withdrawal, as well as relieving anxiety and depression for those quitting smoking. Wound healing. St. John's wort possesses antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for treating cuts, bruises, burns, and sunburn. Applied topically, the herb in oil form can help soothe the skin, reduce inflammation, and promote faster healing. Nerve and muscle pain. St. John's wort's analgesic properties make it a natural remedy for nerve pain, muscle pain, neuralgia, Bell's palsy, and other similar conditions. Its anti-inflammatory effects help alleviate discomfort and promote healing when taken as a tea. Digestive disorders. St. John's wort has been used traditionally to alleviate digestive issues such as peptic ulcers, gastric problems, and hemorrhoids. It is believed to have a calming effect on the gastrointestinal system, reducing inflammation and promoting healing. Viral infections. St. John's wort has demonstrated antiviral properties. and may aid in combating viral infections such as Epstein-Barr, shingles, hepatitis, and the herpes virus. It is thought to inhibit viral replication and boost the immune system's response. The herb also attacks the bacteria and viruses that are causing the issues. Other uses: St. John's wort may assist in removing excess fluids and toxins from the body, making it potentially beneficial in detoxification processes. It has also been explored as a natural remedy for conditions such as arthritis, gout, chest colds, congestion, and respiratory diseases. Warnings regarding interactions with modern medicines. It is important to note that St. John's wort may interact with several modern medicines, including antidepressants, anticoagulants, oral contraceptives, immunosuppressants, and certain HIV medications. Therefore, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before using St. John's wort alongside any prescribed medication to avoid potential adverse effects. St. John's wort has a rich history of medicinal use and an extensive array of potential benefits. From its ability to alleviate depression and anxiety, to its effectiveness in wound healing and viral infections, this herb continues to captivate the attention of researchers and herbal medicine practitioners alike. Additionally, this medicinal plant, even in tincture form, is safe to take for long periods, meaning it is able to aid in chronic conditions. With its impressive track record, St. John's wort undoubtedly stands as a medicinal marvel with the potential to enhance our well-being.